If you want to set custom notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A05, you will have to open your files. So go into My Files. And when you are here, you will have to just go into your audio files. So in my case, this is my custom sound. I'm gonna click and hold it. This is what you have to do. And now you have to click copy. And now go back. Be sure that you select internal storage. And now click on the left upper corner and from Essentials, select all. So now you have to find Notifications, go into Notifications and click copy here. And right now you can finally go into Settings and you can already find this sound. So go to Settings, Sound and Vibration, Notifications, and take a look right here. We'll be able to find the sound. It's just right here over the horizon. And now that's how we can actually get it.